Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This video is going to be very special, so please watch this video till the end to find out more. I would like to say thank you so much to everyone for subscribing this channel. Today I have reached 55 subscribers, so I would like to say a big thank you to every friends and families. This number looks small, but I know I have started from 0 subs. So today I'm going to announce something else as well. As a YouTuber, everyone wanted to have 1000 subscribers first, and people start working for it. I want to do the same as well, but I have a different plan. I'm planning that when I reach 1000 subscribers, then I'll be giving away $100 to one of the lucky winners. Are you finding it interesting? Good. Do you want to know how to participate? I'm going to say about this very soon, but at the same time, please like this video, subscribe and hit the bell icon. And yes, don't forget to share this video to your friends and families so they can participate too. To participate, you need to subscribe to this channel and like, comment and share videos. More importantly, when you subscribe, make sure that I can see you as my subscriber. I've been getting subscribers, but some of them are not showing in my notification. So please make sure that your subscription is not private. Once I reach 1000 subscribers, I'll be doing live video to select the lucky winner and announce name of that lucky winner. Then the lucky winner can contact me for the bank details to get the prize. Thank you so much for watching this video to the end. Please share this video to your friends and family as well so they can also subscribe to this channel to participate. Thank you everyone.